really ready before the storms come. Pack your things and stay with your family. Let the safety begin. Magpreparar ta. During the typhoon, we stay inside. Find a safe place where you can hide. Keep your family safe and hold on tight. Karag hindi gid magwa, basta matapos ang pusog sang ulan. Cause we're safer when we're ready. Yeah, yeah. Inside the house we're staying. Yeah, yeah. Typhoon's coming, be prepared. We stay together till the sky is bright. Oh, 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 oh. Magpreparar kita, magpreparar kita.